What if you could see, plan, and manage all your social content in one place without jumping between tools? In this video, we will walk you through Vista Social's calendar, your central hub for planning, organizing, and tracking everything you publish. If you've already connected your social profiles, this is where everything comes together. At the top of your calendar, you will see your profile selector. This controls which social networks you're viewing, whether that's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or any combination of profiles you manage. From there, you can customize how your calendar looks. Using the settings, you can switch between different preview styles depending on how visual you want your workspace to be, and even adjust things like when you restart. You will also notice built-in holidays and social events. These aren't just decorative. They are a great way to spark content ideas and stay relevant with what your audience is already paying attention to. Now let's talk about how you actually work inside the calendar. You're not limited to just one view. You can switch between calendar view, list view, or table view, depending on how you prefer to manage your content. Table view is especially useful if you want a more structured breakdown, including performance insights like engagement and impressions, perfect for quick analysis. As your content grows, filters become more essential. You have filters such as post status, users, labels, content types like images or videos, post type, perhaps a story or a reel, or even specific cues. This helps you cut through the noise and focus only on what matters. For planning and collaboration, you can also add notes directly to your calendar. Use these to map out campaigns, track ideas, or highlight important dates. You can customize them with titles, descriptions, and colors, and choose whether they are private or visible to your team. Another powerful feature is visibility across platforms. You can choose to display posts that were not published through Vista Social, giving you a complete picture of your content all in one place. When it comes to sharing your work, the calendar makes that easy too. You can share it directly with clients or stakeholders as a link, or export it as a PDF for presentations or as a CSV for deeper analysis. And if you're managing a high volume of content, bulk actions will save you time. Select multiple posts and take action all at once, whether that's updating labels, deleting content, reviewing posts, or repurposing them for new campaigns. At the end of the day, your calendar is not just a scheduling tool. It's your command center for planning, collaborating, and optimizing your entire social strategy. For more tips, check out the rest of our Getting Started series, and if you ever need help, our support team is always here. Happy scheduling!